Good morning and welcome to another edition of Petoen School News. I'm your anchor, here to bring you the latest updates from the beginning of our new academic session. A fresh start, new responsibilities, and inspiring initiatives. The school has begun the year with energy, purpose, and unity. Here are the headlines. The new session, a fresh beginning. Electing school captains, student leadership in action. World TB Day awareness, health comes first. Inauguration of the Math Learning Center, a hub for learning. Let's begin with our first story. We begin with the very first gathering of the academic year, a moment that set the tone for the months ahead. Let's turn to Tenzin Yalak from Class 7 for more details.
Thank you. On 7th February, our school reopened after the winter break, marking the start of a new academic session. The teachers assembled at 9 a.m., followed by a general meeting at 9:30, convened by the respected school principal. During the meeting, the principal briefed the staff on key points discussed at the 18th council meeting of heads from Samboda Tibetan School. And teachers were also reminded of their responsibilities and informed about the important events planned in the school calendar. In the afternoon, preparation for the new session began. The teachers worked together to clean classroom, decorate walls, and repair damaged facilities, ensuring a welcoming environment for students returning on 9th February. I'm Tenzin Yangla from Class 7A, reporting for Petoen School News.
A truly dedicated start to the year. Thank you, Tenzin Yalak, for that report. Next, we move to an important event that reflects the spirit of democracy in our school, the election of student leaders. Here's more on that.
Thank you. Upholding democratic values, the school advisory committee organized elections for the post of school captains and vice captains. A total of four positions were open: two captains and two vice captains. Initially, teachers and staff nominated eight students for these roles. Following this, a voting process was conducted on 27 February in the school hall, where students, teachers, and staff cast their votes. After careful counting, the four candidates with the highest votes were announced and honored on stage with traditional white scarf by the principal. The newly elected captains are Master Tenzi Boshe and Miss Yangadoma. The new vice captains are Master Tenzi Chamba and Miss Tenzi Thaya. We wish them strength, resilience, and confidence as they take on their responsibilities. I am Tenzi Lose from Class 8 reporting for Petoen School News.
Congratulations to our new student leaders. We look forward to their guidance and dedication. Health awareness is essential for a happy and productive life. On World TB Day, our school took an important step in spreading awareness. Here are the details.
Thank you. On 24th March, our school observed World TB Day with an informative session led by the school nurse, Mrs. Digi Dolgar. She spoke about tuberculosis, its causes, prevention, and the importance of early awareness among the students and teachers. This year's theme, Yes, We Can End TB, led by countries, powered by people, highlights the importance of national leadership and community participation in eliminating tuberculosis worldwide. Along with the awareness session, a drawing competition was conducted in collaboration with Delek Hospital. After the session, the principal awarded prizes to the best artworks. Such initiatives not only spread awareness but also encourages students to express their ideas creatively through art. I'm Tenzin Chunzin from Class 7B, reporting for Petoen School News.
An inspiring effort towards building awareness and responsibility. Well done to all participants. Finally, we bring you news of an exciting academic development, the inauguration of our new Math Learning Center.
Thank you. Recognizing the importance of mathematical understanding in academic success, the Department of Education (CTA) facilitated the establishment of Mathematics Learning Center in our school. The center was formally inaugurated by our Honorable Education Minister, Mrs. Doma Chandra. Recently, the facility also hosted a STEM Hub program where 12 teachers from 5 neighboring Tibetan schools participated in a training session hosted by the Department of Education. This new center will serve as a valuable resource for enhancing students' learning experience in mathematics and beyond. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the sponsors and contributors who made this possible. I am Tizinte from Class 8A, reporting for Petoen School News.
Indeed, We are deeply thankful to everyone whose generosity and vision brought this wonderful initiative to life. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Petoen School News. A new session has begun with promise, leadership, awareness, and growth. Until next time, stay curious, stay responsible, and keep making Petoen School proud.